YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Tay Wizard Reactions, where today we're going to be unboxing the new Dragonhawk M6 wireless stencil printer for tattooing. Alright, and I got this from the Dragonhawk site directly. It was about $60 something. Came to like 97 with taxes. And one thing I did not know Dragonhawk was located in China. I did not know it was a Chinese-based company. Not saying there's a problem with that. It's just that I expected long shipping. So, but I couldn't find this on Amazon anywhere. I did find one bundle that was like $109, but it came with a tattoo gun, a wireless pen that I didn't need. So I opted out of that. And that one was like, it said that one was going to be in stock or ship like March 12th. So I was like, well, dang. And then I was looking on the website with no reviews, no nothing. Any YouTube video I saw for this, it was like a foreigner basically using AI overlay voices. They using the AI voice to promote this. There was no review, no video of the product, anything like that. So I went ahead and said I was going to be the first one to do it. You know, so I hope I didn't waste my money, but let's get into it. First thing I'm going to say is it's very small. And on the website, I seen that it was pretty peculiar. It was pretty small, but I didn't think it was this small, because they had a picture of it, and one thing they was boasting was it was compact, and they said they could fit it in a purse. But like I said, I didn't think it was this small. But let's get into it, all right? So first things first, is a cardboard box. I don't know how other stencil printers come, but cardboard box, all right? And this thing is like it's a wireless and USB, wireless and USB. So we got a user manual. We got the printer itself, and we got USB to USB-C cable, and we got the printer itself. And it tells you to download the app. Here's the printer. This is how the printer looks. It's a button you can click to open it for any jams, any paper jams. It's cool. It don't feel cheap made. It feels premium. It's made from premium products. Definitely doesn't feel cheap. Feels good quality. Alright, let's read a little bit of the manual. Okay, it's an app for this, so we're going to download the app while we wait. Tattoo PRT. While we wait. Well, while we set this up in the area, in the tattoo area. Because this is my streaming area. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's downloading. This is my streaming area. This is where I do the streams at. Play games and stuff like that. Over here is my tattoo area, my arts and craft area, where I do all my drawings, my tattoos, things like that. So let's go over here to the art area. Okay. It's a little junky right now, but hey. It's a tad bit junky right now, but we're gonna sit the printer down right here. Alright, we're gonna connect it through Bluetooth, so we don't need the cable right now. We don't need the cable at this moment. Okay. Alright, and the app is finished downloading. Let's turn it on. Say hold for 3 seconds. It beeps. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so this is the Tattoo PRT app. This is the app right here. Right here, guys. Alright, we can see it says local image, material, edit, title, crop. Up the top, we got history. It says the printer is connected right here. And I guess this is a scan. Yep. Camera for the scan mode. Yep. This is to like scan if you want, like if you have like one of these stencils that you want to put on, like you want to make digital. See, I had one of these stencils I print from my little my other thermal printer I had. It's not for tattooing, but I use it to like print certain things that I redraw for stencils and stuff like that. But yeah, and this is one of them I printed out from that little printer right there. You can't use this as a stencil though, but you can use the design. So let's go to, what did they say, material. What is, oh, okay. This is a bunch of like templates. This is a bunch of pre-selected designs. Wow. Whoa, okay. These is pretty detailed. Let's see, this is my printer. Okay. What did that do? Oh, all right. All right, here's the edit mode where you can seemingly edit your portrait, your design. Let's see what we got here. Skulls, flower arm. Oh, okay. So I guess this is for like sleeves. This is cool. It's already like designed in the like of an arm. This is cool, guys. It's already in like the design in the format of an arm. Oh, okay, they got some real nice ones on here too. Totems, charms, characters, comic. Let's see what we got in comic. Oh, they got a pretty cool comic selection. All right, let's see. Are these all females? Well, I guess we would put a female on this. Oh my God, Luffy. This is super detailed. That's cool. All right, let's print this one out. All right. Let's see what we can do. Line crop, style. We can change the styles. Okay. Like that. Let's see. Enhance. Line width. Oh, we can make it darker. We can make it darker. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, default. 1 is cool. Okay. 1 is cool. All right, and this will not print the whole page. So let's put this about down here, and we're gonna put something else up top. Add. We're gonna add something up there. This is the tattoo I did last night. That was one I did last night. So let's do Pikachu. Let's see how we can edit this. And it's cool because it got a background, so I can show you how to edit this if we can do this correctly. Cut out. cut out. There we go. Cut that out. Oh man, hit the wrong one. Cut out. Boom. Okay. Let's go to enhance, filter, sketch. Okay, that's cool. We can use that. Let's see if they got a better one though. Sketch is cool. All right, sketch. Make them a little bigger. Sketch. Okay. Now let's try to darken the lines a bit. Yeah, it's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Check that out. All right, and that's what we're gonna print. Let's save it first to save this. Bing, there we go. Let's print it, guys. Okay, then we have a menu up here. It says print mode, standard, AI. We're gonna keep it at standard for now. And there's the whole picture. Temperature, low, medium, and high. We're gonna keep it at medium. All right, no paper and print. Okay, so we have to upload the paper first, and let's get our paper right here. Yeah, you have to use, this is like, these are half sheets. These are half of the entire A4 papers, the standard A4 paper, letter paper. This is equivalent to half of that. All right, now what you're supposed to do when you are doing printing from a Stencil Printer, you're supposed to tear off. You're supposed to tear off the back yellow paper like that. And what we do is we insert it. Carbon paper down, white paper up. This is a little tour, so I'm wondering, is that gonna print out right? Let's try it anyway. Okay, so this has an auto load feature where you line it up and it automatically feeds in corrected position. Up, and there it goes. There it goes. So here we go. We're about to get it started. Okay. Here we go. Print. Here we go. It isn't that dark on this side, but when you flip it, as you can see, it's not that dark on this side. Oh my goodness, this is getting, I can't open it. There we go. All right, now you can actually see that it's gonna place on skin way better, because now you can see the design way better. And this is the side that you place it on skin, so you will be able to see the design way better. So when it comes out on the skin, yeah, you place it down like that. All right, and that is the Dragonhawk M6 Stencil Printer. If you guys want to see how this looks on skin, then let me know. If you want to see how, because it comes out very good. When you print it on skin, it's actually very good. All right. when you print that on skin, it comes out way better than how it looks here. It looks very light here, but it's actually gonna print on skin very good. If you don't believe me, comment down below if you guys want to see me apply this to skin. If you want to see me apply this to real skin or even fake skin, you guys let me know. Comment down below. This has been the Dragonhawk M6 wireless stencil printer from off the Dragonhawk site. I'm going to leave the link down below if you guys want to grab this good little portable printer. You just got to keep in mind that you need half size stencil paper. What I do is I usually cut mine in half. A4 is 8 inches long, so this is 4 inches. So I usually cut them in half, and when you do that, you got double the paper. So if you get a 50 pack, that's gonna equal 100 sheets using this printer. So something to think about. I wouldn't say it would be like a permanent printer for a shop, but it can definitely be a good travel on a go printer. All right, you guys let me know what you think about this, and if you want to see me apply this to skin, comment down below. Don't forget to like the video so other people can see this and get this review, because I'm quite sure a lot of people hasn't seen a review on this product, because I didn't see one, and I do extensive research before I buy items. And yeah, hit the subscribe button if you like the content, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you for watching.